What's up, everybody? Here we go again. I started my belt sander. I don't know what I'm doing, but I've just been watching a bunch of videos on YouTube. And I've been coming up with all this material. So this is going to be called my Super Belt Sander. Yeah. I'm using all stainless steel scrap. And I think it's coming along pretty good. Yeah, maybe about there. This is gonna be my rest base. This is 304. How thick that is? I don't know, maybe like 3/8. Nice 6 by 6 inch angle. 304. This is 304 angle. And I put this because I didn't have it, it wasn't big enough. It's tight. And I put 2 naps for, I guess, vibration, but I don't think there'll be any vibration. And I put one in the back. They're all stainless steel. Stainless steel tab. The snuffs. These are stainless steel, stainless steel, stainless steel leftover threads, stainless steel tabs, stainless steel, stainless steel. Oh, you get the point. And this tube, also stainless steel. Let's see, I got a magnet here. See, has carbon. Right. Let's put it here. See? It falls. And if it was carbon steel, there you go. Even my stainless steel box has a high carbon content on it, stainless. See, but not this one. This is more pure, you can call it. Well, I came up with those pieces of work. Those scrap pieces. I copied this design from a guy in those forums online. And just today I drilled these holes, 1/2 inch holes on stainless on 2 steps. And I'll probably do a video later on about how to drill stainless more efficiently. And oh yeah, I bought a 5 horsepower motor. Well, I'm not gonna buy it, I'm barely gonna go get it. And I'm gonna order the wheels online. So yeah, my Super Belt Sander, all stainless steel. So it's gonna look pretty cool once you start getting it put together. But I got the core.